Welcome back, folks. We are constructing different geometric objects based upon the fundamental theorems, and today we will learn a new one. Here is what we need to draw. Construct a parallelogram ABCD in which AB equals to 4 cm, BC equals to 5 cm, and AC equals to 3.8 cm. Also, construct a parallelogram equal in area to the parallelogram ABCD, whose one angle is 60 degrees. Okay, let's start by drawing a rough sketch. We have a parallelogram ABCD. AC is given 3.8 cm. According to the rough sketch, we can say that AC is a diagonal of a parallelogram, not a side. And let's draw another parallelogram with the same base A and B. Rough figure has been constructed. Now let's begin to draw a real one. First, we draw a base like this. Then draw BC, but we don't know the position of C, and so that we draw an arc. We are given the diagonal AC. So let's draw an arc AC of 3.8 cm, and now we have got another vertex, C. As we are drawing a parallelogram, we know that the opposite sides are equal, so AD is equal to BC. We have drawn an arc on the side to find out D. Likewise, DC is equal to AB. So from point C, measuring 3.2 cm, let's draw an arc. This intersected point is D. Joining them, required ABCD palm has been constructed. We also need another parallelogram equal to ABCD in area. We also know that the parallelograms is standing on the same base, and between the same parallels are equal in area. The base can be AB for both palms, and we already have parallel lines as AB is parallel to DC. Another requirement of a new parallelogram is one angle has to be 60 degrees. So let's draw an angle of 60 degrees either at A or B. Choice is yours. The new point formed is considered E, and then we measure the distance of AE using compass and draw another line from B to upper line. The intersected point is considered F. ABEF is equal to ABCD in area has been constructed.